when you want to disconnect your battery, you need to follow these simple steps. When you're going to disconnect, always remember that you make sure you take the key out of the ignition. Make sure there's no power running through your vehicle at all. Make sure everything is turned off. Your map lights, let's see, your cell phone charges. Make sure everything is unplugged. Okay. After you make sure everything is unplugged in your vehicle, close the doors. You don't want any currency running through the car at that time. Come over here. What you're gonna do when you're taking the battery out, you're gonna unplug the negative cable first. Then you're gonna unplug the positive cable. See that? That positive, that plus sign is for positive. When you get ready to take the battery out, unplug the negative cable first. Then you unplug the positive. Now, when you get ready to put the battery back in the car, you're going to do the opposite way. You're going to hook the positive in first. You're going to hook the positive in first. Then you're going to hook in the negative when you're putting it back in the car. Remember that when you're going to take it out of the vehicle, negative comes out first. It's unplugged first. Then your positive. When you're going to put it back in the vehicle, you're going to plug up the positive first. Then you're going to do the negative. That's it. Just take your battery out, get the screws that you need, the tools that you need to take out your battery. You're going to unhook it, pull it out, and when you get it back on, make sure you have it tightened down and it's snug so it won't be loose. Because if it's loose, the terminals are going to come off and your battery's going to shut off. That's it.